How to start my video automatically on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to start my video automatically on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here, and now click settings, and then click this one, calling. And now as you see here, all you need to do is just click this one, answer and comment calls automatically, and then you will see this one here, start my video automatically, and just click on it if you want to turn it on, and if you want to turn it off again, just click here and click here again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.